Hôm nay là 20 tháng 7, em tên là Như Ý, em xin đọc bài báo. From VOA Learning English, this is the science report. Weather experts say this year could be the strongest El Nino events in recorded history. They say it could lead to severe weather conditions in many parts of the world. El Nino is banned for the child. The event usually begins in December. El Nino develops when winds of the west coast of South America weaken. This permits warm water in the western Pacific to expand toward the east and the Americas. At the same time, clouds and rain over the warm water also move east. El Nino conditions happen about twice every 10 years. Usually the conditions continue for about 12 to 18 months. They bring warm weather to some areas. The areas also become wetter than normal. However, El Nino can lead to drought in other areas. Eastern Africa, Kenya, and Uganda are preparing for possible flooding because of El Nino, yet two countries to the south of Malawi and South Africa are already dealing with extremely dry weather. The United Nations Children's Fund warns that many people are at risk from hunger, disease, and water shortage resulting from this El Nino. In East and Southern Africa, it warms up to 11 million children could be affected. Weather change caused by El Nino depend on its strength. In the early 1980s, as a strong El Nino were linked to dry weather in Australia and Asia, rain and flooding in South America, and high temperatures in much of the United States. 10 years later, a smaller El Nino caused flooding in part of the U.S. For VOA Learning English, I'm Callery Priestley.